Hi friend, this is me Shahil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel English Talk with Shahil Khan. If you are new on this channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for never missing any latest update. And if you like this video, so please like and share with your friends. So friends, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how the education is important. Basically, it is for you. Uh, it is practice in English. So let's start. So if you are learning English in initial days, let's rise a short topic and talk about them. So then you will improve yourself. So now let's start and go on the topic. So friends, I'm talking about how the education is important. So my dear friends, education is the vital part of our life. If we should educate, so definitely we can dominate ourselves on anywhere, as you can look all around. Those who is educated and have a little bit of mind, he's a successful person in his life. Those who is not educated, who don't have a education, who don't have education in his family members, he's not success. He's not success in his life. He is he's getting he's getting on everywhere. He's getting on everywhere regarding. But if you are educated, so you will success in your life. You will be success in your life. So try to get knowledge, because education is not mean just go in the school and come in the home and open your book, read and learn. No, learn from everywhere. Education means you must have a discipline, you must have a knowledge, acquire knowledge, that if you are speaking on where, if you are speaking on somewhere and you don't have a knowledge, so how you can speak, how can you speak? Let me tell you, how can you speak without knowledge? You cannot speak any single word. So first we should be educated. And as you can look here, i I this is a inter college, this is a it is near about my house. So I have come here and I'm making video here. This is a C Chandra Rashtriya Intermediate College. You can look here behind me. It is, I decided to make here video because it is peaceful place. Yeah, some noises here, but I can manage. You can manage. I'm new, I will improve myself after some time. So please, if you like this video, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So extra things is connect from here to me. Like I play here cricket. This is a pitch. This is the pitch where I used to play cricket, and that one is new pitch, which is being made by other childrens. When I was when I used to play cricket, so there I played. But now that one plays where the children played. So friends, if you are in initial days, if you are learning English, so please try to speak in English, because it is not shameful thing. Just rise a topic and speak at least 2 minutes 3 minutes every day. Speak, then you will become good English speaker. Yeah, no one is here that who is the better from initial. So I'm Sahil Khan. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and just look here. Thank you.